Welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a bit of a haul. I'm actually traveling next week. I can't believe how quickly this holiday's come around. We booked it in January and I cannot believe that we're actually here in November. So my whole plan in terms of shopping for this holiday is that, listen, I've spent enough money in the past couple of months. I do not really want to go all out and buy a load of stuff that I know I necessarily won't really wear again. Because you know, sometimes like when you're going on a holiday, you go and do all this extravagant shopping and you buy stuff that you know you're not really going to wear in the UK. So I said no to all of that. I literally just picked up pieces that basically I could incorporate into my own wardrobe, so come next year summer I know that I can bring these pieces out again and make good use of them. So let's start things off with a basic white t-shirt dress. I saw this and I thought, this is definitely like a staple type piece, definitely something I can still wear in the UK when I return back from holiday. So this is the t-shirt dress on. I've got sort of mixed feelings about this one. I like it because of like the shape. Like I like even how they've done the sleeves, so it's sort of like cut diagonally as opposed to just straight short sleeves. I love the fact that it's free, because obviously when you're in a hot country you don't want anything too clingy and something that's going to make you feel uncomfortable. But I don't know, like this is maternity and I am feeling a bit maternity in it. Like I don't know, what do you guys think? This is one to think about. Like I could definitely see how I'd make it work, but at the same time I'm not 100%. Item number 2, this dress, definitely giving me like safari-esque vibes. Again, it's free, it's cute, we've got snatching going on here, but it's still free enough, I can breathe. I love this colour on me, like this beige or camel tone, that's really nice. I love all this pocket detailing on the dress, I think that's a really nice touch as well. And I bought this one for £12.50 down from £25 cheaper. Next up, look at this. So, do you know what? I would have preferred if this dress was just a tad longer. So maybe knee length or just below. But you know what? I'm still loving it. And just because these sleeves, like, come on, like, can we take in these sleeves? I love me a big, trumpy, loud sleeve. So this is definitely doing it for me. Also, this, like, cut here. Cut? I don't know. Loving it. I think it's just so cute. I've definitely gone for a more cute, girly type of vibe for this holiday. I don't know, maybe it's part of me turning 27 next month and you know, I'm just trying to up the chic and you know, elegance to my style. I don't know, however you may want to call it. But yeah, definitely feeling more of a girly vibe for this trip. And yeah, I'm really loving the check detail on this. The colour's nice. It's not something I would have usually gone for, but I think I will be keeping this also. This one was £14 down from £28 and it's actually pretty little thing. So not bad PLT, not bad. Okay. Right, when I bought this one, I was actually in two minds. I definitely felt like I'm gonna be returning this one. But actually, now that I've got it on, actually, I quite like it. I think it's quite cute. I love this v-neck going on here. I love the way it's free. Again, we've got big sleeves. Love a big sleeve. I just think it's really cute. A little prairie sort of style dress. It's a bit house girl-esque, chic, but you know what? I think I can work with this one. I think I'm gonna keep it actually, so I'm quite surprised. This one was £10 down from £20, so that is a good buy. Definitely a good buy. I think it's just a no, to be honest. So this one, I've had in my Asos saved items for a while now, a few months, and I thought, oh, you know what, it's reduced in price, it's on sale now. Maybe it's time to actually give it a go and see what it will look like in person. I'm not feeling it. I'm not. I don't know. Maybe it just doesn't fit properly on me. I don't know, but I don't like. This top, on the other hand, super cute. Definitely gonna keep this one. I've actually got it in green and white. I don't know if you guys remember, it's in one of my other hauls. So yeah, it's very cute, very easy, something that I can wear all throughout the year. So yeah, definitely a keeper. But this skirt, definitely going back. Definitely a big no. Price wise, these were, this top is £4 down from £8. It's actually Collusion brand. And then the skirt was £12 down from £30. Weekday, why you gotta do me like this? Why? I was so looking forward to this look. I know it's super casual, but it's just something about the whole monochrome vibe, and I don't know, like, you know, they carry the little cute tank top and then with a pair of, you know, long line shorts. But why don't they fit properly? Like literally, why is this like not going up any higher? That is so annoying. Like, and I can't even go up because then they'd just be too big on the waist. But why do we have such a long crotch and it's tight here? So yeah, I guess the shorts are gonna have to go back. Still keep the top. I'm gonna have to find something else to wear it with, but it is a big shame because I was really looking forward to wearing this whole look together and pairing it with my these orange slippers just to give it a touch of color, but I guess that's not gonna happen anymore. So I'll keep the top, but the shorts need to go back. Sorry, weekday. So price wise, the shorts were £21 down from 35, and this top, which is also a Collusion brand, is £2.50 down from £4. Do I like you? Do I not? I don't know if I like these trousers. No, actually I don't actually. There's too much crotch baggage going on here yet again. They're just really baggy and they're giving me harem style trousers. I don't, you know, we don't do harem in 2019, I don't think. Yeah, I'm not sure. I really love the salmon colour, which is why I opted to buy these in the first place. Let's have a, you know, typical summer holiday type look, but yeah, I just thought it'd be a nice touch, you know, just a different look on a particular day. But no, this is not working for me. There's just too much material, too much excess material here. Maybe if I went down a size, I don't know, but yeah, these are going back. Sorry Asos, these are going back. This top is a top that I had from Topshop anyway, and I just thought I'd pair it with this. Yeah, these trousers aren't for me. If we do like harem style, these were £19 down from £38. So definitely a bargain, but not for me. Piece on the agenda. Don't ask me where I was going with this. Yeah, this was not specifically for this holiday, but I just saw it and I thought, oh, this is cute. Again, we got sleeve details, we got shoulder. I love stuff that have something loud on the, like the arm area. I don't know, I just love it. So anyway, I was instantly drawn to this and I thought, oh, this might be cute on. I'm not quite sure how I feel about it in all honesty. As I said, I love these sleeves, I love the shoulders. I don't know, maybe it's the colour and the stripes. Is that right for this style of blouse? Maybe it wasn't all white. Like, no, if it wasn't all white, I'd definitely be keeping it. But yeah, this monochrome vibe with all this going on already, I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? Would you keep? Would you return? How do you feel? And it's an awkward length as well, because I wouldn't really wear this as just like a shirt dress. It's a bit short, so I'll probably wear it with like a pair of blue mom jeans. But and I love the back as well. The back, very cute. But I don't know if I'll be keeping this one. It's also Collusion brand. I'm definitely loving Collusion. Like, they are doing the most, and I'm loving it. But this one, I don't know if I'm here for it. Price wise, this was £11 down from 25. Yeah, 25. So definitely a good buy, but I don't know if you're for me. So that brings me to the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know what pieces you liked, what pieces you didn't like. Let me know if you found this sort of haul useful, letting you know how I'd shop for a holiday quickly, efficiently, and obviously cost effectively. And yeah, just give me any feedback in general. What would you like to see next? I'm always open to listen to you guys, and I love to hear your suggestions and ideas. So I'll catch you next week. Bye.